Take this inside the audio and send it to email. Please take.
Yes, coming.
Interview cancel and attend the interview.
Okay.
Can I send one letter?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Please show this.
Okay. Send one by one, I'll see.
This will go at the interview.
Yes, coming. Good morning. Have a seat. Okay. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, shall we start the interview? Then please introduce about yourself.
My name is Sridhari. I am from Rajahmundry. I have completed BCom degree in computer application from Government College of Danavaipeth, Rajahmundry. I am a quick learner and a hardworking person, and I have good communication skills. My hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
Yeah, that's nice. If you don't know something while working, what would you do?
If I don't know something, I will ask my senior or a supervisor for guidance, and I will do it correctly.
Do you have basic computer knowledge?
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Okay, that's fine. Are you okay with working with shifts?
Yes, ma'am, I'm comfortable working in shift.
Okay, that's very good. And congratulations, Sridevi. You are in.
Thank you.
We'll send off a letter to your bill. You may leave now. Yes, come in, Sabina. Good morning. Have a seat. Okay. Okay, how is your day? Shall we start the interview? Then introduce about yourself.
Myself, Fatima. I'm from Rajahmundry. I have completed my 10th and 12th National Education Institution at Vijayawada. I have recently completed my degree at Government Autonomous College, Rajahmundry.
Okay. How would you know about this job?
I searched it in the WhatsApp that we had given advertised to us.
Teamwork or working individual?
I prefer teamwork because in teamwork we can know all thoughts and ideas which we can improve our customer services or their experience and ratings.
Do you have computer knowledge?
Yes,
Okay. Are you comfortable in working shifts?
yes,
Okay. We'll get back to you, Sabina. Please wait in the reception.
thank you.
You can go to attend the interview.
Yes, come in. Good morning. Have a seat. Okay. Okay, let's start the interview. Okay. Introduce about yourself.
Myself, my name is Rajahmundry. I'm from Rajahmundry. I completed BCom Computer Application from Government Degree College, Rajahmundry. My hobbies are reading music,
What degree you completed in what grad?
Bachelor of Commerce.
Okay, commerce. How did you know about this job?
I know about this job from your website, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay with working in shifts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If a passenger in an airport, a passenger is looking very confused, what would you do?
First of all, I go and greet them, ma'am. Greet them politely. Then I will ask driver if they are comfortable. Then I will guide them.
Okay. Please wait in the reception. I'll inform you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, come in. Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay. Please introduce about yourself,
I'm
then.
from Rajahmundry. I recently graduated become computer certificate government college.
Okay. What are your hobbies? Okay. Do you have any computer knowledge? What de- what degree you are completed? Which part? Commerce. Okay. Please get back. I'll get back to you right in the reception.
Thank you.
The interview. Please call the interview candidates into my cabin. Yes, come in. Guys, you are all selected and welcome to airlines. And please join by tomorrow. Please submit your applications and all. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow.